Welcome back, puzzle lovers! Today, we're diving into a clever geometry challenge from the Square Master series. We're given several rectangles, each with a known area, and some of them share the same length or width. Our mission is to find the missing dimension labeled A. Let's break it down step by step. We start from the bottom left rectangle, the one with an area of 36 square centimeters. Next to it, we see a vertical measurement of 6 centimeters, which tells us that one side of that 36 square centimeter rectangle must also be 6. So if the length is 6, the width must be 36 divided by 6, giving us 6 centimeters for both sides. Now, look at the rectangle above it with 48 square centimeters. These two rectangles share the same length, so its length is also 6. To find the width, we divide 48 by 6, which gives us 8 centimeters. Moving upward, the rectangle with 64 square centimeters shares the same width of 8. Since width is 8, the length must also be 8, because 8 times 8 equals 64. From there, we slide to the rectangle with 32 square centimeters, which shares the same length of 8. So its width becomes 32 divided by 8, giving us 4 centimeters. That width of 4 continues to the next rectangle, the one with 28 square centimeters. If the width is 4, its length must be 28 divided by 4, which equals 7 centimeters. Finally, that length of 7 centimeters matches the top rectangle with an area of 42 square centimeters. So to find the missing side A, we divide 42 by 7. And the answer is 6 centimeters. So the mystery dimension A equals 6. If you enjoyed this puzzle, hit like, subscribe, and get ready for more brain-boosting challenges. Thanks for watching. See you in the next Square Master puzzle.